Installation preparations. Materials for the Energy Storage System, ESS, prepared by the customer. Installation tools. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Unpack the ESS. Remove the bottom pallets. Install the eye-bolt conversion bracket. Securing the ESS, option 1. Securing the ESS, option 2. Securing the ESS, option 3. Install the PE cable. Remove the cable baffle plate. Install the PCS power cable. Lift up and open the baffle plate. Remove the RCM panel. Remove the mains AC input terminal cover. Connect the AC power cables. Reinstall the mains AC input terminal cover. Install UPS cables, off-grid scenario. Remove the UPS AC terminal cover. Install the UPS AC input power cables. Reinstall the UPS AC terminal cover. Install the smart logger. Connect the smart logger power cable. Connect the smart logger communications cable. Secure the cables using a cable tie. Connect the general output power cable of battery packs. Install the RCM cover. Seal cable holes using sealing putty. Reinstall the cable baffle plate. Remove forklift positioning plates. Install the external bottom baffle plate.